Hi everyone! Today, I will be sharing with you how to download Google Play Store on a laptop. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing that we need to do in order to install or download the Google Play Store on our laptop is to open our browser. Search for Play Store, then click the Google Play Store hyperlink at the topmost part of the search result. Click the three dots button at the top right corner of your screen. Click Apps, then click Install this site as an app. Under Install this site as an app, let's just edit the default name as it's too long. I will only use Google Play as the name of the app. Click Install, and as you can see, Google Play Store has been installed as an app on my device. Under Allow this app to, you just need to customize the app whether you want it to pin in your taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, or auto start on device login. I will only select Create Desktop Shortcut, then click Allow. Go to Desktop, and as you can see, Google Play is now available on my desktop. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful in installing Google Play on your laptop, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!